Welcome to Busch Gardens, where we are here for a media event to get scared, because it is the media event for Howl-o-Scream 25. They've been doing it for 25 years. I'm super excited because they are going to strap a camera onto me, and you're going to be able to see firsthand me being scared, because I get scared easy, and yeah, this is going to be fun. So we're going to go in, check out the some of the merchandise, some of the food they're going to have in the event. Let's do this. They're coming everywhere now. So first, we're going to look at all the things for the 25 years. They're going to have an apocalyptic burger topped with a pepper jack, cheese, salsa, and guacamole served on a black apocalyptic bun. That looks fun. I think I'm going to try that in just a little bit. Then they have the slaughtered pork. This is going to be at Raven's Mill Bar. The slaughtered pork and the severed chicken wings. That looks delicious. That pork looks so good. I'm definitely going to have to try that in just a minute. Well, these are fun. Cupcakes are awesome. Black Widow cupcake, a Blood Moon cupcake, I don't know what that word is, cupcake, and a Bloodshot Eye cupcake. That's really fun. Let's go over here. Oh my goodness. Raven's Roadkill. That looks fun. Some popcorn. The severed chicken wings right there. A zombie dog. Yummy. That looks really, really good. And there's that hamburger that we already looked at, the apocalyptic burger. Ooh, Chef Special. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. And then there is the pork, the slaughtered pork. Yummy. So here is the zombie dog that we looked at. It is a Nathan's half-pound hot dog served on a potato roll chopped with salsa verde, cheese, bacon bits, and pimento peppers. That really smells really, really good. I wish you could smell it. It smells delightful. And then this is the Raven's Roadkill. Right here, it is smoked chicken slider with a drizzle of crimson red pepper sauce and topped with spicy cabbage slaw. This smells good too. I don't know what I'm going to try first. And now we've made it to the merchandise. The lounge fly. That looks fun. And then you have the Nobu necklace. That's what that is right there. And then Let's Boo This Howl-o-Scream shirt. Ooh, I like this shirt right here. And then there's another lounge fly and a hat. And then this is a shirt that looks like it has all the different houses on it. It's like a crime scene. That's fun. Yeah, that's a lot of fun. And then this is the front of that jersey shirt. Howl-o-Scream right there. And this is the back of the other shirt right there. And you have the Let's Boo This spirit jersey. A little ghosty in front. It's cute. So there's two different drinks, a Screamsicle, and then there's another one called the Gin That Makes You Sin. I got both of them. Let's go try them. So we got the two drinks. This is the Screamsicle. I guess it tastes like a creamsicle, but alcoholic. That's good. And this one is the Gin That Makes You Sin. I'm gonna guess there's gin in it. I don't know, probably. Ooh, that's really good. I think I like that one better, but the other one is really good too. Ah, so good. So I did get the apocalyptic burger. It smells really, really good. It smells like almost smells like an Asian dish. Has a little kick to it with the jalapenos that are in it. Really, really good. Let's try the slaughtered pork as well. That's what else I got. Now this is the slaughtered pork. Oh yeah. I love pork. It's like pork belly. It's so good. This is, oops. Spilling it all over the place. This is delicious. Yummy. So this is the chicken sandwich that was over there. It's almost like coleslaw is in there. It's really, really good. Just a little bit of a kick as well. And then the hot dog. This hot dog has a lot of stuff on it. I'm gonna have to eat over this plate. Oh yeah. Oh, that hot dog is so good. I think that's my favorite thing. So many flavors. So many flavors in that hot dog. It's so good. That is delicious. So this stuff is really cool. They have like this thing set up over here. This guy right here. It's fun. Yummy. And then they have these huge skeletons up there. Holy cow, they're huge. I need one of these for my house. And then you have this, which goes around you really, really fast and takes a video. And I will put that right here of when we did it. So we have just characters just randomly walking around very creepily. I don't like it. Good.
Yeah, D.H. Beckham's gonna love you guys.
That one back there is just having too much fun. His laugh is fantastic. If you can hear his laugh, I crack up every time he laughs. It's great. We've made it. We're going into Shadows of Wonderland. It's like, I guess, Alice in Wonderland themed, but scary. I don't really like getting scared, but I'm doing it for you guys. Got it? Yeah. I don't like it already. Oh, Jesus. There! That's a creepy bunny. Creepy bunny. Holy's. I saw that key earlier. Oh. It's like the, I'm gonna hit my head on this. Oh. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, look, it's the egg. Okay. I get don't know which way I'm going. Okay. No. Jesus. This way. Oh, jeez. That was like Tweedledee and Tweedledum, I think. Another creepy bunny. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's a Cheshire cat. That looks really cool, actually.
You haven't seen what the queen has done!
Okay. Yeah.
You fake you!
Yeah. Holy crap, I didn't even think she was real.
He's been shaving Saki's donuts.
Another creepy bunny.
The final straw.
Oh, Jesus. Holy crap, they're coming everywhere now. Off with their head. Off with their head. What are those? Ew. What the fuck is that?
Alright, how was it?
That's fun.
What was your favorite part?
The rabbits kept scaring the crap out of me.
Yeah.
So it rained right after we got out of the house. Like literally, we did the house and then it started downpouring rain. So we were stuck in the end of the house, which was kind of fun, for a good 15, 20 minutes. They finally came and got us with the car. It was still pouring rain. And then we just jumped in a car and headed home. So we're not there anymore. We're at our house. But it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. The house was really, really fun. Scared me with those stupid creepy rabbits. And then that huge thing at the end, that scared me because I was not expecting that. The mirrors were like, I was discombobulated. I didn't know where the heck I was. Didn't know which way to go. That was a lot of fun. I liked the theming of that house a lot. Good scares. I think we're going back Friday, possibly, if it's not storming down rain like it was tonight. Hopefully it doesn't. But we'll be headed back for opening night of Howl-o-Scream. But I'll see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.